Now you guys are receiving this mail. This is what is the reason you are receiving this mail. I had already told you to follow the great conversion, but you guys are not satisfied with great conversion. That's the reason your application is going to be rejected if you don't upload the correct percentage in your Start India application. Within 3 days you have to upload it. Here you can see the message, 10th class is rejected due to percentage mismatched. uh, 54.5 is correct, but if you have entered wrongly, then you will get this message. I want to say another thing. Like if you think, according to Nepal, other country great conversion, my percentage is more than that. So you have to follow Study India great conversion. They don't agree to put your own country great conversion. So Study India had provided great conversion, so follow this and put your correct percentage. What should I do for it? uh, First of all, open your Study India website and go to Study India website and then log in it. After login it, then you will see like here, edit my application. Click yes, edit my application, and edit your application, and then go to choice filling. After choice filling, you have which is your incorrected. In You can see here is 10 class document is incorrect, so I have to put 10 class as 54.5%, what you received in your mail. So I am going to put 54.5% here. You can see 54.5%, and then I will select next, 7 next. Yes, okay. And then you have to again select the university. So you have to select again university, and then 7 next, 7 next, click 7 next, and then upload a document, and then final submit. You know what are the further process, then you final submit. After final submission, you will see like this, your final submission, and then in this section, document verification is rejected. Here, sorry, when you click here, then you can see here, if you update it, then it will not update right now. And if you can try it. This Study India team verify your application again, so wait for the verification. Your application will verify within 3 days, so check this portal again and again until your document all are verified. Here you can see my 12th document is verified and other document is also verified. Then if you click here update, then update it. Here you can see my document has been successfully updated. So now you can, after changing the percentage, you can update it. After updating, you can see the same thing. So I had updated, but still not working. After that, Study India team will verify, then my percentage here, then I will see like this, verified, okay. So if you have any confusion, then you can ask me.